Tell me out. Give me a reason. Do you want it right now? Come on.
So perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful yellow sunshine. These are conditions for the beautiful game. At least that is how it should be. The backdrop could not be any more idyllic. The players are with us now. The crowd is in good number and in shirt-sleeve order. It is lovely to be able to breathe fresh air without having to wrap one. Cristiano Ronaldo! It's in!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Going for goal! Forward it goes. Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Messi. He's left his back and Messi! He's there to make a great save.
He's very lucky to recover that, and he shouldn't have put himself in that position in the first place.
Neymar plays it forward. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Van Dijk comes out on top in a really physical duel. Well, that's where he wants it. Casemiro plays it out to the flank. Now it's Mohamed Salah going through. Can he put it away? Oh, nearly. But nearly is nothing.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Cristiano Ronaldo. He goes long. Mohamed Salah to run onto it. Good take by the keeper. He's read that well. It's Modric. Some good stubborn defending there. That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Casemiro, Cristiano Ronaldo, Marcos Alonso does well there, alert, good challenge, he just stood firm, and it's Salah, Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, great strength, too strong for his opponent, now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Modric. Now it's Cruyff. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. This could fall anywhere. It's De Bruyne. Shoots! It's a goal! With half-time at hand. Perfect timing. You've got to say the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Look, Peter, I was on the fence before a ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
It's going to be the final action of the first half. Genuinely interesting game here. Very, very watchable. 2 goals, 1 each. Going back on the first 45 minutes.
It's been a really good watch, but I think the managers will be looking for that extra bit of organisation and focus now, just to try and get a little control on this game.
That's a really interesting game, and they head in at half-time at 1-1. Second half then, just getting going. Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish was all wrong.
Almost the perfect move. Almost. The finish just wasn't quite at the same level.
Messi. It's Cristiano Ronaldo. Try for the shots! He's missed, but why that far?
Right, certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Mohamed Salah hits that long. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. De Bruyne. And it's Messi. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Thiago Silva gets into the right position to intercept. Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi, he's got away. He's had a shot. He's done very well to get to that.
Messi simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Marcos Alonso, the regular corner taker. He just whacks it away. Modric plays it out to the wing. The chances keep on coming. They're awarded another corner. The shot's on! Sticks it away! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! So we have a breakthrough.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
He's off on a marauding run. Good run. Ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. The crowd appreciates good football all round there. Now it's Neymar. De Bruyne. And De Bruyne! And that would have won it.
Oh, and a real chance to pile on the pressure, and he'll be desperate to get another.
Mohamed Salah. Through it. It's a poor throw that. Picked off with relative ease.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now. Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Going through.
Oh, the ball's come loose.
Aimed low and direct. Savic.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out. Mohamed Salah!
The keeper's done ever so well.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
And time is up. What a match. What a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly deserving winners. You look back on the game then, Jim.
Well, they approached this with a very definite game.
Ayun lamang
I
guys.
think to a large extent they
Kalah dengan Aceh.
and we can give the manager a big pat on.